Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So go to Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then scroll down. Go to More Settings. And right here, you need to tap at the Update firmware. You check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. You will see a button right here, a circle, I guess, download or install, something like this. You just tap on it and you will make it. Now, if it didn't help you, also these earbuds have the settings like wear detection, and if it enabled, so if this slider near to this setting is colorful, it means that it's enabled. And it automatically pauses the music when you remove your earbuds from your ears. So maybe you need to disable this option. Next one, maybe if it also didn't help you, maybe this is a problem of audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else. First, I recommended to remove it from the cache and just open it again. Then check it, and the second one, check is this application, your audio player application, have the last version. So go to the App Store or to the Play Market and check and update it. The last one, what we can do is to perform a factory reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then do not close the case. At the back side we have connection button, and you need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed rapidly 3 times. And now it entered to prank mode, and then we will have reset. Here we go, and it just turned off. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds and then add it. So go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds at the device list, or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device and forget device. Then, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it as the device list. We don't need to press at the connection button at the back side. Now just tap on it, and if you have Android, also click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!